Today we will find DFT of a sequence by using radix 2 DIT FFT method. Here DIT means decimation in time and FFT means fast Fourier transform. As you can see, we have been given the sequence x of n is 8 channel elements. We will get 8 point DFT for this sequence. So we will solve this equation step by step. Step 1, the sequence with the difference is n by 2 or 8 by 2 equals to 4. Each sequence having the difference 4, x of 0 and x of 4. The difference is 4. Next, x of 2 and x of 6. The difference is 4. X of 1 and x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. X of 5 and x of 1 also having difference is 4. X of 3 and x of 7 also having the difference is 4. This is for step 1. And next is step 2. In step 2, we will write the even pairs. We will write the even pairs, then add the odd pairs. Okay, that means first we can start. First we will write even pairs, then odd pairs. This means we will write as 0, x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6. These are the even pairs. Then odd pairs are x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. Even pairs are x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6. And odd pairs are x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. This is for step 2. And then step 3. Step 3 is the construction part. The construction part, we will mention the even pairs and odd pairs. The even pairs are x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. We can construct in this manner. The construction is x of 0 to x of 4, this formation, and here like this. Similarly, this for step 1. This step 1 stage having n by 4 stage. This is also called as 8 by 4, that is 2. In step 1, n by 4th stage. So here 8 by 4 equals to 2. And step 2 is n by 2th stage. That means 8 by 2 is equals to 4. And here step 3 is the nth stage. In this nth stage, that is 8th. Totally 8 elements, 8 outputs. So here the pairs are 4 pairs. In stage 1, 2 are pairs. In step 1, 2 values are pairs. Here. Okay. And next step 2. In step 2, n by 2th stage, that means 4. So 4 in second stage. This is for completely step 3 construction part. And next is step 4. In step 4, we will calculate the twiddle factor values. The twiddle factor is w n to the power of k. W suffix n and prefix k. This is the twiddle factor. The twiddle factor can be denoted in w suffix n prefix k. And the value is e to the power of minus j 2 pi k by n. And in the problem having 8 point DFT. Okay, so that is capital N equals to 8. For example, if k equals to 0 and n equals to 8, the exponential value, the twiddle factor value is e to the power of minus j 2 pi, k value is 0 by n value is 8. So totally exponential value is e to the power of 0. That means w n to the power of 0 twiddle factor value is 1. Similarly, if k equals to 1 and n equals to 8, e to the power of minus j 2 pi, k value is 1 by 8. Here the cancellation will be there. E to the power of minus j pi by 4. We can write it as cos theta minus j sin theta. This value is similarly in e to the power of minus j theta, like that. So then cos theta minus j sin theta. We can substitute theta is pi by 4. So here we can substitute the theta value is cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. Finally, the value is 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. The value of w 8 to the power of 1 equals to 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. And here also w 8 to the power of 0 equals to 1. Similarly, w 8 to the power of 2 equals to e to the power of minus j 2 pi 2 by 8. E to the power of minus j, the value is pi by 2, e to the power of minus j pi by 2. This can be write it as cos theta minus j sin theta. So here substitute the theta value, that means cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. The value is minus j. This is the value for w8 to the power of 2. Similarly, w8 to the power of 3. w8 to the power of 3 is e to the power of minus j 2 pi by 8 into 3. That is e to the power of minus j 3 pi by 4. And the twiddle factor value is minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. And this can be write it as 0.707 minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Similarly, w8 to the power of 0, w8 to the power of 1, w8 to the power of 2, w8 to the power of 3, w8 to the power of 4, w8 to the power of 5, w8 to the power of 6, w8 to the power of 7. Similarly, we can calculate it as W8 to the power of 0 to W8 to the power of 7. This is for step 4. And next is step 5. This is for step 4 and next is step 5. In this step 5, we can consider it as a stage 1. In this stage 1, we can put it as n by 4. In n by 4, the n value is 8. We will put here n by 4. We will here n value is 8. So 8 point DFT is taken now. That's why n value is 8. Here we can substitute 8 by 4 equals to 2. So we will join or we will make a butterfly with no difference, and every line should be connected any manner with the other. This line will be connected to this and this line will be connected to this, like that. Okay. And next stage 2. In stage 2, we will put 8 value is we will put n value is 8. N by 8 by 2 equals to 4. So we will get 4. We will construct the combination of 4. So we will construct the combination of 4. 4 and first 4, next second 4. First even 4 and next odd 4 values. Okay. We will construct the combination of n. So with the butterflies we will be a difference of 1. So here the butterflies will be difference of 1. Second one is connected and this two, first one and next is connected. Similarly, this one will be connected to 1. Second one is connected. Difference is 1 now. This two, difference is 1 and this will be connected. Similarly, stage 3. In this stage 3, first one is connected to the fourth one and second one is connected to the fifth one. See here, this first one is connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth one is connected now and next second one is connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4. So fifth one is connected. So here like that we can mention it as 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is connected. Like that. Next, step 6. In step 6, we will multiply or make simply minus 1 base of the butterflies. So these are the wings of the butterflies. So here these are the wings of the butterflies and the base of the butterfly will be multiplied with a minus 1. Okay. Base of the butterfly will be multiplied with the minus 1. In this second stage, the base of the butterfly is this minus 1, here minus 1, here minus 1, minus 1, here is here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. These are the base of the butterflies. Base of the butterflies. These are mentioned, these processes are called as wings. Next is step 7. In this step 7, we will multiply the Twiddle factor in the butterfly structure. In step 7, we will multiply the Twiddle factor with the butterfly structure. So see here, W8 to the power of 0. So each base of the butterfly can be multiplied with the Twiddle factor. Okay. So the output, so here these outputs are mentioned it as A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. And second stage outputs are B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. And the third stage outputs are X of 0, X of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. Here stage 1 outputs mentioned as A, A0, A1 and so on, A7, and stage 3 outputs are mentioned as B0 to B7, and stage 2 outputs are mentioned as B0 to B7, and stage 3 outputs are mentioned as x of 0 to x of 7. Okay, for stage 1 we will multiply W8 to the power of 0 in each base of the butterflies for the first stage. Okay, similarly in second stage the base of the butterflies will be multiplied with W8 to the power of 0, and second base is W8 to the power of 2, like that, W8 to the power of 0, W8 to the power of 2. And next third stage is W8 to the power of 0, W8 to the power of 1, W8 to the power of 2, W8 to the power of 3. This is for step 7, and next is step 8. In this step 8 we will calculate the values. See here the inputs are x of 0, x of 4, and the output is A0, A1. Okay, here the calculation will be A0 equals to, here A0 value comes from the x of 4. So x of 0 plus W8 to the power of 0, x of 4. Okay, and next A1 is x of, so here A1 comes to the x of 0 na, so x of 0 minus, here the value comes to the x of 4 value comes to the minus 1, here minus 1 is there na, that's why minus W8 to the power of 0, x of 4. See here A0 is x of 0 plus W8 to the power of 0, x of 4, and A1 is x of 0 minus W8 to the power of 0, x of 4. Next is A2. In A2 the input comes to the x of 6 na, and this also x of 2. So x of 2 plus W8 to the power of 0, x of 6. Similarly A3 is x of 2 minus W8 to the power of 0 to x of 6. Here the A3 input comes to the x of 2. Okay, and here multiplied with minus 1 and into W8 to the power of 0. Okay, similarly A4 is x of 1 plus W8 to the power of 0, x of 5. A4 equals to, here A4 equals to x of 1 plus W8 to the power of 0, x of 5. Similarly A5. In A5 x of 1 minus W8 to the power of 0, x of 5. Okay, next is A6. In A6 x of 3 plus W8 to the power of 0, x of 7. Next A7 is x of 3 minus W8 to the power of 0, x of 7. Here x of 0 value is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. These are the values. Okay, x of 0 to x of 7. We can substitute it as x of 0, x of 4 values, and omega w8 to the power of 0 value is 1. Okay, twiddle factor value w8 to the power of 0 value is 1. See here, x of 0 value is 2. Okay, 2 plus omega 8 to the power of 0 value is 1 into x of 4. X of 4 value is 4. Okay, 1 into 4, 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Okay, and next is x of 0. 2 minus x of 4 is 4. That is value is minus 2. Next, x of 2. X of 2 value is 3 plus x of 6 value is 2. Totally the value is 5. Next, x of 2 is 3 minus x of 6 is 2. Totally the value is 1. Similarly, x of 1 is 2 plus x of 5, 3, 5. Next, x of 1, 2 minus x of 5 is 3. The value is minus 1. And x of 3 is 4 plus x of 7 is 2. The total value is 6. Next, x of 3 is 4 minus x of 7 is 2. The value is 2. Okay, these values are a0, this for a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a7. Here we can write it as values, or a0 value is 6, a1 value is minus 2, and a2 is 5, a3 is 1, a4 is 5, a5 is minus 1, a6 is 6, and a7 is 2. Okay, next we can find out b0, b1, b2, b3, b4, b5, b6 values. Okay, next is second stage. In second stage, the value is b0. b0 is here, b0 is, in this b0 the input comes to the a2. Okay, so here a0, so a of 0 plus omega 8 to the power of 0 a2. Okay, and next b1. b1 is connected to the a1 and a3. So here a1 plus omega 8 to the power of 2 a of 3. Next, similarly b2. b2 is a0 minus omega 8 to the power of 0 a2. Why? Because here the base is multiplied with minus 1. Okay, here and here. So, and next b3. b3 is a1 minus omega 8 square a3. Next b4. b4 is connected to the a4 to a6. Okay, so a4 plus omega 8 to the power of 0 a of 6. Similarly b5. b5 is a5 plus omega 8 to the power of 2 a7. b6 a4 minus omega 8 to the power of 0 a of 6, and b7 a5 minus omega 8 to the power of 2 a7. Okay, see here A of 0 value is 6. A of 0 value is 6. So we can substitute here 6 plus omega a to the power of 0, w a to the power of 0 value is 1 into a of 2. So a of 2, a2 value is 5 na. So the total value is 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. And next a1 value is minus 2. Here a1 value is minus 2 plus omega 8 to the power of 2 value is minus j. Omega 8 to the power of 2 value is minus j. The twiddle factor of w 8 to the power of 2 value is minus j. So we can substitute here as minus j, and a3 value is 1. So minus 2 minus j. Okay. And next b2, here the a0 value is 6. 6 minus 1 into a of 2 is 5. So the value is 1. A0 value is 6 and next a2 value is 5. Okay. 6 minus 5 equals to 1. Next, similarly, a1 value is minus 2 minus j, and a3 value is 1. So minus 2 plus j. Here b3 value is minus 2 plus j. Next a4 value is a4 is 5 plus omega w a to the power of 1 is 1 and a6 value is 6. Totally 5 plus 6 11. Okay. And next b5. In b5 a5 value is minus 1 minus j, a7 is 2, that equals minus 1 minus 2j. Next is a4 value is 5 minus 6 minus 1, and next a5 value is minus 1 minus of minus j and 2. The value is minus 1 plus 2j. These are the values for b0 to b7. Next is third stage. In third stage, here the outputs are x of 0. So how to find out the x of 0? See here, x of 0 is, the value is b0, the x of 0 terminal is connected to the b0 and b4 w a to the power of 0. Okay, so b of 0 plus w a to the power of 0, b4, next x of 1. Similarly x of 1. In x of 1 connected to x of 1 is b1, x of 1 is connected to the b1 and b5 with the w a to the power of 1. b1 plus w a to the power of 1, b of 5. Okay. Similarly, x of 2. X of 2 is b2 plus w a to the power of 2, b of 6. Next, x of 3. In x of 3, b of 3 plus w a to the power of 3, b of 7. Next, x of 4. In x of 4, b of 0 minus w a to the power of 0, b of 4. Why? Because here the base terminal is connected, multiplied with the minus 1. Okay. Next, x of 5. X of 5, b of 1 minus w a to the power of 1, b of 5. Next, x of 6, b of 2 minus WA to the power of 2, B of 6. Next x of 7, B of 3 minus WA to the power of 3, B of 7. Okay. So here substitute the B naught values, B values, so B naught to B7. Okay. See here. First one is B naught. B naught is 11 plus W to the power of 8 value is 1 into B of 4. B of 4 value is 11. Okay. Totally 11 plus 11, 22. Similarly, B of 1. B of 1 is minus 2 minus j. Here I will write twiddle factor values. WA to the power of 0 is 1. WA to the power of 1 is 0.707 minus 0.707. And next WA to the power of 2 value is minus j. And WA to the power of 3 value is minus 0.707 minus 0.707 j. Okay, these are the twiddle factor values. WA to the power of 0 is 1, WA to the power of 1 is 0.707 minus 0.707 j, and WA to the power of 2 value is minus 7, and WA to the power of 3 value is minus 7 minus 0.707 minus 0.707 j. Okay, see here, B of 1 value is minus 2 minus j plus WA to the power of 1 value is here plus 0.707 minus j 0.707, and B5 value is minus 1 minus 2j. B5 value is minus 1 minus 2j. Next, B of 2. In B of 2 value is 1 minus, why? Because WA to the power of 2 value is minus j, and B of 6 value is minus 1. So totally here 1 plus minus j into minus 1 is plus 1 na, plus 1 plus j. Next, B of 3 plus WA to the power of 3, B of 7. Here B of 3 value is minus 2 plus j. B of 3 value is minus 2 plus, and next plus WA to the power of 3 value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707 into B7. B of 7 is minus 1 plus 2j, minus 1 plus 2j. And next is B of 0. B of 0 is 11 minus B of 4. B of 4 value is 11. It equals to 0. And next B of 1. B of 1 is minus 2 minus j minus WA to the power of 1 is 0.707 minus j 0.707, and B5 value is minus 1 minus 2j. Similarly, B of 2. B of 2 value is 1 minus j. B of 6. B of 6 is minus 1. So here 1 minus j. Similarly, B of 3. B of 3 value is minus 2 plus j minus here minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. B of 7 is minus 1 plus 2j. Okay, and we can calculate the x of 0. up to x of 7. Here x of 0 value is 22 and next x of 1 value is, we can solve it as, okay, we can rewrite it as -2 minus j. Then here this can be multiplied with these 2. This 0.707 multiplied with -1 and minus 2j. That is -1 into 0.707, next minus 2j into 0.707 minus plus j of 0.707 plus 2j square into 0.707. Okay, the final value is minus 4.121 and the imaginary value is minus j 1.707. This for x of 1. Similarly, next step, x of 2 value is directly 1 plus j, and next x of 3 value also, that can be simplified like this. The value is, in x of 3 value is minus 0.121 plus j 0.293 and x of 5 value is 0.121 minus 0.293 j. And next here x of 6 is 1 minus j and x of 7 value is 4.121 minus j 1.707. Finally, the final value is x of k equals to, first x of 0 value is 22, then x of 1 value is minus 4.121 minus j 1.707. Next x of 3 value is, x of 2 value is 1 plus j. Next x of 3 value is minus 0.121 plus j 0.293. Next x of 4 value is 0 and x of 5 value is 0.121 minus 0.293 j. Next x of 6 is 1 minus j. Then x of 7 is 4.121 minus j 1.707. Finally, here we can write it as b0 value is 11 and b1 is minus 2 minus j, b2 is 1, b3 is minus 2 plus j, b4 is 11, b5 is minus 1 minus 2j, b6 is minus 1, b7 is minus 1 plus 2j. Then x of 0. In x of 0 value is 22, x of 1 is minus 4.121 minus j 1.707 and x of 2 value is 1 plus j. X of 3 value is minus 0.121 plus j 0.293. X of 4 is 0, x of 5 is 0.121 minus 0.293 j and x of 6 is 1 minus j and x of 7 is 4.121 minus j 1.707. This is for completely 8-point DFT by using DIT method.